I'll go to Sanjeev Bagai. You said everybody over 18 should be vaccinated. Everybody is saying it now. Universally, everybody is saying now you vaccinate everybody over 18. Now, even if someone were to take a first dose of a 2-shot vaccine, the first dose does not give you full immunity or efficacy. I read today Covishield will give you a 50, 60% efficacy protection for the first dose after a month. So somebody who would take a Covishield would be 60% protected a month after the first shot. And so the person is still vulnerable, less vulnerable but still vulnerable. So if you were to start a vaccine for all today, Dr. Bagai, you would see the benefit of that a month and a half from now. When that person vaccinated today gets a second shot 6 weeks later.
Yeah, good evening, Arnab. Good evening, everyone on panel and all the viewers. So just concentrating straight about the vaccine, I don't think there is a supply shortage. I don't think that's the message, because it's very clearly been mentioned by the health minister that the supplies are adequate. So I think it's a local logistic issues and a distribution issue which should be attended to immediately. Any politics between the state and the center now is not only a bad marriage, it's going to be one of the most ugliest divorces we've ever seen. It should not happen. I think we all need to collaborate and innovate together. With regards to the vaccination, we have an age limit criteria as a cutoff now of 45. I'm just quoting a most recent study which is of April this year. We need to do what we call as ring vaccination. That means vaccinate the parts of the country which have the highest density of COVID positivity. And we need to do target specific vaccination. That means even the vulnerables below the age of 45, above 18, below 45, especially the immunocompromised. Or no, every immunocompromised patient is a potential super spreader, medically published, proven. So we need to look after the patients who are on dialysis, chronic kidney disease, solid organ tumors, blood cancers, and so on. Patients on chemotherapy and so on. Now that kind of disease spectrum doesn't see an age limit.
But Sanjeev,
so we need to focus on disease specific.
Sanjeev, it would not be only the immunocompromised. It would not just be the immunocompromised above the age of 18. It would be anyone over the age of 18 who would be a super spreader.
Not necessarily.
The immunocompromised would be vulnerable, but anyone can be a super spreader.
Of a comorbid condition, right? Yeah, but especially the immunocompromised. Now, in the published data, if we do both these things, ring vaccination and target vaccination, 17 to 40. Yeah, just let me go, just 30 seconds. 17 to 44% is decreased mortality. So we will save a huge amount of lives. We need to think out of the box now. We need all hands on deck. We have to involve every healthcare professional.
No, but what is,
we have to expand the number of
no, but
centers,
what is
more number of